Valhalla keeps on expanding theirs. They've opened their home and their hearts to 7 orphan children from Eastern Europe. News 12's Melissa Colorado introduces us. Melissa?
I first met this family back in November. Stephanie and Bill Krebs were being honored by the Westchester Family Court for adopting all these needy children from overseas. Now some of the kids are getting their first real taste of Christmas. The Krebs family home in Valhalla is a very busy place. Stephanie works for Honda. Bill is a teacher at an alternative high school in White Plains, but this is their 24/7 round-the-clock job.
Open.
Caring for the rapidly growing family.
It seems like yesterday, I'd had no children and I was doing whatever I felt like, and now it's like, well, now I got 7 kids.
Because we go through a lot of bread here. I think we can go through about a loaf when we make a sandwich. We can eat a whole loaf.
Meet 4-year-old Nicholas, Joseph 5, William age 10, Peter 7, and Patrick at 8. He's already eyeing a career as a News 12 reporter.
Good morning, my name is Patrick.
The boys have joined the family over the past 5 years, and now 2 more additions, 7-year-old Marta and 18-year-old Natalia, all 7 adopted from a very poor section of Eastern Europe.
You like having your own room?
Yeah.
What do you like about it? She watches movies. What are you doing here? You watch movies?
Yeah, I play computer.
So how did 2 newlyweds become a family of 9? Stephanie says she was inspired when she visited Ukraine, her father's native country. She visited some local orphanages, and when she saw the face of 22-month-old Peter, she knew she had to bring him home.
I made a pact right then and there that I was going to take him and I was going to love him and I was going to give him the best life that I could give him.
She's been keeping that pact ever since. Stephanie and Bill have gone through the grueling international adoption process over and over. The most recent for Marta, who struggles with a speech impediment. For the 2 girls, this will be their first real Christmas.
And yeah, you have Santa and yeah, you have the gifts and all those things, but at the end of the day, it's really about family.
Sometimes you got to give back, and if all you're worried about is going on vacation and pina coladas and sitting in the bar, when you die, what is there left? What mark did you make on the earth?
What better mark to leave than changing 7 lives and filling their home with love?
Merry Christmas!
Absolutely adorable. Stephanie and Bill tell me 7 might be enough. They're probably done adopting for now. But if you're thinking of opening your home to a child in need, log on to news12.com. You can find information and links to local adoption agencies. Back to you.
That